Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PayPal payment failed issue. A payment can fail for several reasons, such as insufficient funds, an expired card, or restrictions on your account. The first step is to check if your PayPal balance or linked bank and card have enough funds. If your card has expired, update it in the Payment Methods section and try again. Next, make sure your PayPal account is verified with an active bank and card linked, because unverified accounts often face transaction issues. Also, check your internet connection and try using a different browser or the PayPal app, as sometimes technical glitches cause failed payments. If the problem is with the receiver, confirm that their PayPal account is active and able to accept payments. In some cases, security filters may block the transaction if it looks unusual, so check your email or resolution center for alerts. Once you fix the cause, you can retry the payment. And that's it. That's how you fix a PayPal payment failed issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.